Hello students, today we will be solving the IB Math AA AGEL May 2024 paper 2 time zone 2 question number 6. You will be getting the other solved past paper questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I am Nilanjana Sanyal. I am an online IB Math AA AGEL level tutor. In case you want to join my classes, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website address are given at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve this question number 6. The maximum mark is 6. It says the volume of a spherical bubble increases at a constant rate of 5 centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube is the unit of volume and per second, so it is divided by the time. The initial volume of the bubble can be assumed to be 0, so it is just totally a deflated bubble and it is getting inflated at a constant rate. And find the rate in centimeters per second at which the radius of the bubble is increasing when the volume of the bubble is 20 centimeter cube. Okay, so it is a spherical bubble. And we are having two parameters. One is the volume, another is the radius. So we should be getting an equation connecting these two. So what is the formula connecting the volume and the radius of a spherical bubble? It is V equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Is the volume of the spherical bubble. Okay. And r is the radius. Radius of the bubble, obviously. And now it is dV by dt. This one is dV by dt. Let me write that. dV by dt equal to 5 centimeter cube per second. I am writing this way. And volume when t equal to 0, the initial volume. So, or I can write V when t equal to 0. T equal to 0 is equal to 0. Okay. And we are required to find dr by dt. So, we will be differentiating this formula. Okay. Using, and we will be differentiating with respect to time because we need dr by dt. So, using the implicit differentiation, dV by dt should be equal to 4 over 3 and pi. These are the coefficients, so they stay as it is. And we will be differentiating r cube with respect to t. So, V when differentiated with respect to t has given us dV by dt. So, now we are differentiating r cube. So, the power will be coming down and it is r square. The power gets reduced by 1 and then the r is getting differentiated with respect to t. So, it is dr by dt. Okay. And these two 3's will be getting cancelled. So, it is 4 pi r square dr by dt. We know the value of dV by dt, but we do not know the value of r square. So, first of all, we have to get the value of r. Another information is given. We are required to find dr by dt when V is equal to 20 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is given to us. So, we know the relation V equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. So, when V is equal to 20, then it is 4 over 3 pi r cube. We need to find the value of r. So, this is r cube equal to 60. 20 times 3 is 60, 60 over 4 pi. And this is 15 over pi, because 60 is 4 times 15, and the 4 of the numerator and the 4 of the denominator, they will be getting cancelled, and we are having 15 over 15 over pi. Okay. So therefore, r is equal to cube root of 15 over pi. I can write them separately. It is 15 over 1/3, 15 raised to the power of 1 over 3, and pi raised to the power of 1 over 3. Okay. And now we come back to this equation once more. So therefore, dv by dt is equal to 4 times pi times 15 to the power of 1 over 3 divided by pi to the power of 1 over 3 whole squared, because it is r squared, and dr by dt. Okay. And in place of dv by dt, I can write, what is dv by dt? It is 5 centimeter cube per second. So in place of dv by dt, I am writing 5 is equal to 4 pi times 15 raised to the power of 2 over 3 divided by pi raised to the power of 2 over 3 and dr by dt. And now we have to find the value of dr by dt. Therefore, dr by dt, and this is pi, means this is pi to the power of 3 over 3. Pi means pi raised to the power of 1, and 1 can be written as 3 over 3, and divided by pi raised to the power of 2 over 3. So this will be pi raised to the power of 1 over 3, right? Okay, so I am writing this as 5 over 4 times pi raised to the power of 1 over 3 times 15 raised to the power of 2 over 3. Let's see what do I get as the answer. Okay, calculator, and okay, 5 divided by 4 times pi raised to the power of 1 over 3, okay, times 15 raised to the power of 2 over 3, right? Yeah. Raised to the power of 2 over 3. Yes. Okay. It is 0.140324 and all. Correct up to 3 significant figures, it is 0.140. Okay. So this is equal to 0. Okay, let me write some more digits over here. 0.140 and 324. Okay, so therefore, dr by dt is equal to 0.140 centimeter second to the power of -1, because they have asked us to write it in this format, so I have to write it in this format. It is centimeter per second, so I have written it in this format. Correct to 3 significant figures. Okay. So that's all for this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you have not subscribed to my channel till now. We meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the very next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.